Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to order at Sonic Drive-In. So here in Reddit post, they have said that most have a drive-thru and a drive-in. The drive-in is fun and you hit a button, order, and then sit there and wait for your food. So basically that's it. And another Redditor said that most have a drive-thru. You can go to one of the kiosk things and you can also park and order on the patio. They bring the food on roller skates. But what if you would like to order online? So you go to their website, sonicdrivein.com. Once you're here, you click the order now button. Now here, you can just choose your food, choose what you want to order. So for example, we can just order some slushes and then choose your slushy there. For example, for this lemonade slush, we can customize the order. We can add some coconut syrup and etc. And then once you're done, you can just hit add to bag. It will show you your total. If you want to add more items, just click this one. Basically, that's it.